Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Memcached stats and performance on VPS. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by accessing your VPS using SSH. Use your preferred terminal or SSH client to connect. Enter your VPS credentials when prompted. Once logged in, check if Memcached is installed by typing Memcached. If installed, you should see the help information for Memcached. Next, let's check if Memcached is running. Use the command psaux grep memcached. This will display any active Memcached processes. If you see a process listed, it means Memcached is running. To verify the memory stats, use the command echostats nc localhost 11211. This sends a request to the Memcached server and retrieve. Look for key information like bytes, limit_max bytes, and cur_items. You can get a more detailed view by issuing echostats detail nc localhost 11211. This provides deeper analyze the output to understand the overall performance. If you notice a high number of misses, consider increasing the cache size. For ongoing monitoring, you can set up a simple script to automate these checks. Create a script using a text editor, such as Nano or Vim. In the script, include the commands we used earlier. Save and exit the editor. Make the script executable with chmod +x your script name.sh. Run the script periodically to keep an eye on your Memcached performance. Finally, optimize your Memcached configuration based on the insights you gather. With these steps, you can effectively verify Memcached stats and performance on your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.